Hey guys, Charles Roberts, CEO and founder of Social World Networking Professionals. Guys, I'm super excited because we're here at Chima Steakhouse for our Sip, Chat, and Chew Networking Mixer. Come inside and check out the event. Wow, what an awesome event. A lot of great professionals came out. A lot of connections were being made at this mixer. If you're not connected with us and you didn't make this event, definitely get connected with us on all of our social media platforms and subscribe to our email list as well. So we look forward to seeing you at our next upcoming events.